In today we will discuss about geography, Indian geography, general introduction of India. First, the latitudinal extent of mainland India is between 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. The latitudes that pass through Sikkim also pass through Rajasthan. Which one of the following latitudes pass through maximum Indian states? 24 degree north latitude. The important latitude which almost divides pre-India into two parts is 23.5 degree north. The latitudinal extent of India is between 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. Tropic of Cancer pass through Madhya Pradesh, Tripura, Mizoram, all of these. Through how many Indian states does the Tropic of Cancer pass? 8. Name the state of India through which Tropic of Cancer passes. Jharkhand. Which of the following Indian state lies north of the Tropic of Cancer? Manipur. Among the following cities, which one is nearest to the Tropic of Cancer? Kolkata.
Stocks, mutual funds, EBITDA, crypto, SIP, ETF, AGM, market capitalization, NAV, AUM, PE ratio, PB ratio, asset allocation, diversification.
Do you also find all these finance jargons too complicated to understand? Not any.
الله أكبر سبحانك.
Among the following cities, which one is nearest to the Tropic of Cancer? Kolkata. Which one of the following towns is nearest to the Tropic of Cancer? Gandhinagar. 70 degree east longitude passes through Jaisalmer. The westernmost place of India, Guwahati Moti, is situated in which the state UT of India? Gujarat. The southernmost point of India is Indira Point. Where is the southernmost point of India located? Great Nicobar. The northernmost place of India, Indira Col, is situated in Ladakh. Which one of the following major Indian cities is most eastward located? Lucknow. In terms of longitude, the easternmost state of India is Arunachal Pradesh. Which one of the following pairs of states of India indicates the easternmost and westernmost state? Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. Name the place in India where Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean meet. Kanyakumari. Which one among the following cities is called the zero-mile center of India? Nagpur. The Amindivi and Cananore Islands are separated from Minicoy Island by 9-degree channel. The 8-degree channel separates which of the following? Lakshadweep and Maldives. The Andaman group of islands and the Nicobar group of islands are separated by which one of the following latitudes? 10-degree latitude. Please evaluate the following statements. The latitude of Aurangabad is located between the latitude of Vadodara and Pune. Bengaluru is positioned further south than Chennai. Which of these statements are correct? Both. 2 and 3. Which of the following latitudes is known as a standard meridian in India? 82 and half degree east. The Indian Standard Time is taken from which of the following city? Allahabad, Delhi. How much is the difference between Indian Standard Time IST and Greenwich Mean Time GMT? 5.5 hours. Sunrise in eastern Arunachal Pradesh would be about how many hours before the sunrise in western Gujarat? 2 hours. Which of the following cities is closest to IST Indian Standard Time meridian? Riva.
At, on, in. When do you use it? Let me give you a clue. At comes before clock time, like 6 a.m. On comes before days, like on Sunday, on Monday. In comes before.
जो आज से डेली इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस करेगा वो मर्सिडीज चलाएगा.
Which among the following places will have maximum day length in the month of June? Kolkata. Where does India rank in the area among the countries of the world? 7th. Area of India is 2.4% of the total area of the world, but its population is 17% of world population. India's share of total land area in the world is about 2.4%. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Number of states in India 26. Which of the following statements regarding India are accurate? India is the 5th largest country. Second, it covers approximately 2.4% of the total area of the lithosphere. The entirety of India is situated within the Tropic of June. The longitude of 82.5 degree east is used to establish India's standard time, 2 and 4. Please arrange the following Indian cities based on their geographical locations from west to east. Jodhpur, Bhopal, Bilaspur, Ranchi. Which one of the following countries shares the longest land frontier with India? Bangladesh. Who decided the border between India and Pakistan? Sir Cyril Redcliffe. The boundary line between India and Pakistan is an example of superimposed boundary.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
Durand line demarcated the Indian boundary with which of the following countries? Afghanistan. Which of the following separates India and Sri Lanka? Pak State Bay. Extension of international boundaries of India along with their neighboring countries in ascending order are Nepal, Pakistan, China, Bangladesh. Which of the following is geographical closest to Great Nicobar? Sumatra. The following are India's international land bound borders with neighboring countries. Identify the incorrect match. Myanmar, 1458 kilometers.